It's raining. Beans, snow peas. They're going up. I want it to be like that. So I climb up that way. I guess they'll be ready to harvest, right? Or a little bit more. Some, because they're still small. Maybe a couple more days. It's raining here. Look at the flowers, so nice. Let's put it this way so I climb up. Going up. There you are. So all have peas, snow peas, all vine. You see that? They all have. So it's just enough to harvest at one time and make it a stir beans, stir fried, salad, or whatever you want to make. But for me, maybe stir fried or pancit.